Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you guys how to build Mad Hatter's house, inspired from the movie Alice Through the Looking Glass. Here's one that I already built, and well, let's get started. We're going to go ahead and go over here to this empty terrain block and build Mad Hatter's house. Alright, so first we're going to go to our building sets. And we'll go into building set group 3 and we'll put down the Main Street green brick storefront. Then we'll go to building set group 4 and we'll put the small suburb home pieces all the way around. Next we're going to go ahead and theme it. You can choose any color. I'm just going to use blue. Alright, then we're going to go to our building sets at group 3 again, and we're going to use the Main Street red roof pieces. So we're going to put a corner piece here, then we're going to put the windows here, another corner piece, and we're going to just go ahead and wrap it around the building. Alright, now that that's done, we're going to go to our basic blocks and we're going to build the rest of the roof. So we're going to need the small flat block pieces, the small floor, put those down. We're going to theme it in a wood theme. I like the Ewok one, the bright treehouse hut. Let's see. Bright Tree Village hut floor. I'm gonna go ahead and set our theme. And we'll just go ahead and wrap this around really quick. Alright, now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and use our curved ramp blocks. And we'll set down 3 for now. Alright, for this next part, we're going to need the Path Creator tool. And we're going to need quite a few of these. For now, we'll just use 3 for our ramp pieces. So we're going to set our path going down. So we'll set one right here, right in the middle of the block. And one path point going down. And then we'll do the same thing for this block. And the same thing for this last one. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and connect our first block to our path. And there it is. Now to get it to go upright, we're going to go ahead and make it orient along path. And we're going to set it up 6, vertical offset plus 6. And I can already tell that the block is too forward, so we're going to move our path back a little bit. So So first the green point and then the yellow point, and that will pull our ramp block all the way back. So we're going to go ahead and move these ones as well, so that when we connect them we don't have to go through that again. Alright, now we're going to, under our path settings for the block, properties, we're going to go all the way down to movement, and we're going to go reverse, one way, and stop. And that'll make it flush with our red roof pieces. So we'll do the same thing for these other two. There we are. Now we'll set 3 more paths, and we'll set it back a little bit so they're not too forward. Green point and then 1 yellow point. We'll do the same thing here, and 1 more here and here. Alright, now we can set down our 3 block ramp pieces again. This side's a little bit trickier. We're gonna have to actually rotate our blocks 180 degrees, and I'll show you how to do that under the settings. So first we're gonna go ahead and connect this block to this path point. Go under properties, orient along path, and then vertical 6, and then right here under rotation 180 degrees, and then loop, reverse, one way, and stop. There we are, and we'll do the same thing for these other two. There we go. Now we can use our basic block, tall block here, to fill in the hat. Alright, now that that hat part is set, we can go ahead and put more pass points to curve the roof a little bit here. So we'll set it on the edge of this block. Do the same thing all the way down. Alright, then we'll connect this block to this path point. There it goes, and again orient along path. And we want to go vertical 1 and forward 1, and then under movement style, reverse, one way, and stop. There it is, and then we'll do the same thing for the rest of these. Alright, now we'll go to the other side and set our pass point to the edge and then up 1. We'll do the same thing over here. Then we'll connect our block. Properties. And I don't think we need to rotate or anything. I think this will just be vertical offset 1 and forward backwards 1. Yeah, let's fix that. Forward 1 and reverse one way and stop. Yeah, so the same thing as the other side. Vertical offset 1 and forward 1, and we'll just go ahead and do the same thing for this block. vertical offset 1, forward offset 1, and there you go. We'll do the same thing for the rest. And now to decorate the house a little bit. So we'll go back into our building sets, group 3. These Main Street themes are perfect, so we'll get this one. Place that there. Place another one on the other side. And that's it. Now you can just go ahead and decorate the house however you'd like, but there is Mad Hatter's house.
Excuse me, but it's high time for tea.